post of Justin Bieber. This is one friend gave me. This is the same friend to shout out to Rekha. Then I have these things that are so messed up. My school bag, my school bag. This thing, suitcase, this thing. And in this rope, I have a sticker then. If you open this, that is my mother's bedroom. That's quite big than me. And if I can get out, it's like this, my room. If I open my window, it's quite hard to open. So, hope you guys like it. Share, comment, subscribe.